Hey everybody, Johnny MacDonald here from Royal LePage, and welcome to my latest 24/7 virtual open house. Today brings us to Burlington, Ontario, and 2530 Northampton Boulevard, Unit 82. This absolutely fantastic 2-bedroom, 2-bath condo is just an amazing sight to be seen, and I can't wait to show it to you. I gotta say, we all know the market's been a little slower these days, so we got to cut back a little bit on technologies, but don't worry, I got you covered. Send up the drone. This is such an amazing place. I really love it. Let's get inside and see it. Welcome inside. What a nice welcoming foyer. We have that's it there. This is the door to the garage, which is extra long. Nice storage there. And now we're going to do some special effects where we speed up the video clip. Upstairs. Oh, welcome upstairs. Wow. What a nice kitchen, eh? Check it out. Corian countertops. Love it. Great little coffee station here. Beautiful pantry. And check this out. Woo. Follow me. This is something you don't see very often. We have ourselves a little outdoor space. How awesome is that? Okay, enough of that. Let's come on in. Welcome back in. Okay, here we go. Lovely floor plan we have here. Don't mind me. Come on this way. Let's check this all out. What is this? Laundry. I'm going to wash that man right out of my hair. First bedroom here. Nice size. Very good. Love the Pixar lamp. Closet. Nice windows. Love the window. Head on in to the primary. Look at the size of this place. It is so awesome. Window. It's double closets. And ensuite bathroom. Check this out. Oh, jeez. Enough of that. I'm going to show you the second bathroom. This one should be safe. Oh God, seriously. Now, here we are in the living room. Wow, this living room is so spacious. We could just have ourselves a big old dance party in here. Yeah, pretty awesome. Okay, and check out this dining area. Very nice as well. Special effect time. How's that for magic? Look at this balcony. It's incredible. It's an awesome size. You're going to love hanging out here. And right across from the visitor parking and trees. What an amazing place this is. So that's going to wrap up our 24/7 virtual open house here at 2530 Northampton Boulevard, Unit 82 in Burlington, Ontario. If you want any of the details, all the pics, check them out at gojohnnygo.ca. Better yet, give me a call. I'd love to show you this place in person. And together, let's get the gone on this lawn. Aw, thanks, sweetie. You're so kind to me.
Yeah, that's great, but where's my $10 you owe me?